So here is another question on the general nth term from the end for a given arithmetic progression. So it is given, for the given AP, find the sum of the sixth term from beginning and end. So the AP is given by 4, 8, 12 up to the last term, which is equal to 64. So here the arithmetic progression is given by 4, 8, 12 up to the last term, which is equal to 64. So here the first term is equal to 4, the common difference is equal to 4, and the last term is equal to 64. So here what is asked in this question is, first we have to find out the sixth term from the start, from the beginning, and the sixth term from the end. Okay, the sixth term from the beginning and the sixth term from the end, and we have to find out the sum of these two terms. So for the forward nth term, T6, we'll use this formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 T, and for the sixth term from the end, from the last, we'll use this formula, Ln is equal to L minus n minus 1 T. So for the first, it is equal to the sixth term, T6 is equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, which is equal to A plus 5t, which is equal to 4 plus 5 into d, which is equal to 5 into 4, 20. So 4 plus 20, that is equal to 24. Okay, and here the sixth term from the last, L6, that is equal to L minus n minus 1, n is equal to 6, so 6 minus 1, that is equal to L minus 5t. So it is equal to, the last term is 64 minus 5 into d. So 5 into 4, that is equal to 64 minus 20, which is equal to 44. So we have the sixth term from the beginning, that is equal to 24, and the sixth term from the last, from the end, that is equal to 44. The sum of these two, that is equal to 24 plus 44, that is equal to how much? 68. Okay, 68. So here is an interesting thing. See, this is equal to 68. Here the first term A is equal to 4 and the last term L is equal to 64. A plus L, that is equal to 4 plus 64, that is equal to 68 also. So it's interesting. Okay, so this is the sum of the sixth term from the beginning and end for the given arithmetic progression. Okay, so here is another question on the nth term of an AP from the end. So it is given that the first and last terms of an arithmetic progression are small a and small l respectively. Show that the sum of the nth terms from the beginning and end is equal to a plus l, that is small a plus small l. Okay, so here we have the arithmetic progression where the first term is equal to a and the last term, that is L, small a, small l. The other terms, let's say a plus d, okay, from the beginning, from the first, This is the first term A, the second term A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, and so on. Similarly here, the last term, the first term from the last, that is L, then L minus D, then L minus 2D, then L minus 3D, and so on. Okay, like this. So here we derived the nth term formula, the general nth term formula from the beginning and end. So the general nth term formula from the beginning, from the first for an AP is given by A plus n minus 1 D. This is the general nth term of an AP from the first. Also we derived the nth term from the last, the general nth term formula from the last, that is Ln, which is equal to L minus n minus 1 D. Here A is the first term, here L is the last term. This is the general nth term from the beginning, this is the general nth term from the end. Okay, this is from the beginning, Tn, okay, the nth term, and this is from the end, Ln. Now if we add these two, okay, Tn plus Ln, this is nothing but the sum of the nth terms from the beginning and end. This will be equal to A plus n minus 1 D plus Ln, which is equal to L minus n minus 1 D. So it will be equal to A plus n minus 1 D plus L minus n minus 1 D. So plus n minus 1 D minus n minus 1 D gets cancelled, and we have only remaining terms, they are A plus L. So here the sum of the nth terms from the first, that is from the beginning, and the sum of the nth terms from the last, that is Ln, Tn plus Ln, the sum of these two terms, the nth terms, that is equal to A plus L. This is a very important conclusion, very important formula. For any number particular term, the sum of, let's say, the first term from the beginning, the second term from the beginning, and the last term from the beginning, it will always stay the same. Similarly, third term from the beginning and third term from the end, it will always be A plus L. Similarly, fourth term from the beginning and fourth term from the end, it will always be constant. That is the sum of the first term and the last term. It will always be constant for a given arithmetic formula, arithmetic progression. Okay, so if you have for a given AP, it is given that the sixth term and from the first and the sixth term from the last, and you have A and L at the first and last term, T6 plus L6, it will be equal to A plus L. So for any number, any particular number, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, any particular term, if you are counting it from the first, that is Tn, the general nth term from the beginning, and from the last, the nth term from the last, it should be the same. N should be, the value of n should be same. That is second term from the beginning, second term from the last, third term from the beginning, third term from the last, Fourth term from the beginning, fourth term from the last. Fifth term from the beginning, fifth term from the last. It will always be equal to A plus L. Okay, so this is the important conclusion which we derived from this question. Okay, so we have proved it.